This week in word study, we are going to be focused on context clues. Here we have a jumbled up picture, so you're going to try and put this puzzle together correctly using your context clues. So over here are the hints. All of these underlined words are made up. They're not real words. It's just like mumbo jumbo. So you are going to drag the image based on whatever you think the correct answer is. You're going to drag that to that box. That was just an example. I didn't even look at it, so don't think that's the answer. So you'll drag it over to that box, and once you're done, you should see a full, complete picture here. Let's try one together. The moon was shining so bright in the sky, it was brighter than the stars. What is a moon? So we have knight, clown, witch, boo, hat, moon, autumn, frightened, trick or treat, cat, broomstick, and black. So my answer would be moon, and oddly enough, that's just a blank square. But that is what you're going to do. You'll drag them over to complete the picture.